Kyrtong ka seng National People's Party NPP ka Dr Ampareen M Lyngdoh kala leit thep ka vote jong ka Laitumkhrah Haka Jingsynran lang ki khun kiba bat ki nongkyrshan.
I do not think that people are talking against the government. But people have welcomed me with open arms. Whether or not they were my voters, I have no indication, but there was much respect, much love, much expectation from all of the expressions that I encountered in my journey through all the 36 constituencies. I feel that that is what gave me the strength to continue on my journey. I never at any point of time thought that there was a rejection of my candidature, and maybe that is the main motivation for me personally to continue on that journey and to complete it to the best of my capacity and capability. In Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now, that is something which we have to deal with in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening. Poking each other, pushing people to say regretful things. This is something which Meghalaya has not seen. And this dirt that they have brought along into this political scenario of Meghalaya is regretful. Very, very regretful. I have been actively involved in politics since I was like 8, 9, 10 years old. I've never seen this hate. Now that is dangerous because that is what is going to destroy us. This is the first time I have fought the MP election. I will not say I'm confident. I will say that my team has worked well. My party has coordinated very efficiently this one time. Every soldier is on the ground. Every member of the party is actively involved in this garnering of support for the party. And if you ask me whether or not that will yield positive results, I believe it will, because every boot on the ground is aggressively fighting the hate politics that has emerged in the state of Meghalaya in just this one MP election.